Here is the answer to joint issues in under 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Phil. I'm a Silver Fern brand. Speaking and sharing anything under 5 minutes is damn near impossible for me, but we're going to do it here. All right. So here's the answer to joint issues quickly. You identify what the underlying root causes are, everything from unhealthy inflammatory responses, poor lubrication, cartilage and collagen degradation, all of those things. You understand what the causes are, and then you address those issues as effectively as possible with clinically studied ingredients at the clinical doses shown to do that. That's the answer. So with that, we formulated and created Joint Complex. Joint Complex contains 3 clinically studied and branded joint ingredients that have been studied to work, right? So you got ApresFlex, Ovomet, and Collavant. And 2, these are used in the joint complex at the clinical doses to be effective. These ingredients include, here's your fast list, ready? 1, Boswellia. 2, collagen, types 1, 2, 5, and 10, hyaluronic acid, glucosamine, and chondroitin sulfate. The product was formulated to work. Why? Because I needed it to work. Not to take away from all the other products in the market. Most of them use generic ingredients at generic doses. They may or may not have good bioavailability. Typically, they put a really cool list of ingredients down. They put a lot of a few, but not a ton of everything. And they're usually not clinically validated ingredients. They're just really good ingredients. Do these work? They do. A lot of people really like these products. They may or may not hit all the different underlying root causes for why you're uncomfortable, but they typically work pretty well. But at Silver Fern brand, we wanted to break down what all the underlying causes were, including immune dysfunction issues. Work with me here, people. And we wanted to create a product that was something that we could demonstrate was most effective, okay? So most effective meaning it works. If your issues are due to wear and tear and overuse and joint overload, and you've been exercising your whole life and you've been busy your whole life, which is kind of my category, you'll start to notice a difference in the first 30 days. By 3 to 6 months, you're welcome. If your issues are caused by an immune dysfunction, which I think you know what that means, an overreactive immune system, you've got to wait the 3 to 6 months. Does the product work? Yes, it is extremely effective. Under 5 minutes, you're welcome. Bye.